One, two, three, go. To further discuss in detail on what Engineer Olsen talked about on how air emission prevents contaminating air flowing to the whole office or facilities, the laboratory has an air pipe fixed to convert air substance containing chemicals into a breathable one. Suppose this is the office or the facilities of the ON Semiconductor Company. Inside, there are different rooms which workers tend to work and facilities to create products which should not expose directly in dirt, since their products is sensitive and should not expose in dust. If something bad happens, the air pipes automatically open and flows the contaminated air outside the facilities. Before releasing the air, there are filtering systems that filters all the air coming from the laboratory and outputs the filtered air going to the environment. By doing this, the rooms and facilities inside their company is safe, as well as the environment. That's how ON Semiconductor companies manage to make their products safe to humans and to their environment.